What's good, people? Back with another video, so you know it's that time. Let you know what's on my mind. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out the other videos when you got time. And today's discussion gonna be if you leaving good or bad energy or not. Let's get into it. Energy is not created or destroyed. It's just transferred. Universal law of energy. So with that being said, you gotta be aware of not only your own energy or whether you bringing good or negative energy. You also got to be aware of other people's energy, whether they bringing good or negative energy, because their energy is not going to be destroyed. You ain't creating that new energy. All the energy is going to be done is transferred. Nah, it's possible for you to go around them and your good energy rub off on them, but it's even more likely that their negative energy going to be transferred to you. So what that leave you with in a state of negative energy. It's great that you can transfer your positive energy to somebody, but you don't want to be receiving negative energy in return, because that'll be detrimental to your overall energetic field, so to speak. And then when you carry yourself with a certain type of energy, man, believe it or not, most people can feel it. Just think about how you could be having a fucked up day and you may go into a Walmart or something and you may run into a cashier. You might just have a casual conversation with somebody in line about just the most random topic, but it's good energy. You know, that'll uplift your spirit. A lot of times, I know me personally, I do it a lot. I go out like, man, don't nobody say shit to me. I don't feel like talking to nobody today. So I don't want to run into nobody I know. If I do run into them, I'm gonna let them know straight up, look, I don't feel like talking right now. It don't even bother me. But how often does that happen, and then you get into a store situation, you run into somebody, then you actually end up engaging in that conversation and they got good energy? What that do? That diffuse your negative energy, because at the end of the day, love gonna conquer all, you know what I'm saying? Positivity always gonna conquer negativity, you know, if you don't resist it. And that right there is just a simple transference of energy. You may have left somebody with good energy and you don't even know it. You know, maybe you were just being a positive person that day and you just spoke to somebody. That person was feeling so bad, but you speaking to them make them feel better. It's cool to do random acts of kindness. Now, I ain't saying go out of your way and then put yourself in a position to where you'll be fucked up behind something. You know, it's cool to do random acts of kindness. And by random acts of kindness, I don't mean doing stuff and then try to claim it and let it be known so you can get accolades from it. I'm talking about just genuinely doing stuff from the heart, because that's where that positive energy come from. And then once you give more positive energy, you get the energy that you put out into the universe. That's also a universal law of energy. You know, the energy that you give is the energy you receive. So you receive more positive energy back. That's why it's so important to, when you're dealing with negative energy, you need to try to redirect that energy away from you, or either you need to take it and then convert it into positive energy within yourself, being the alchemist. That way you can exude that positive energy out back into the world. And the main thing you gotta remember, man, is that the impression that you give lasts forever. That one positive or negative interaction with someone can determine how they view you forever. Now, I'm not saying that you should really be so concerned about what everybody think about you, but you do want to be conscious of your energy and the type of energy that you leave. How many times you've been in an environment where you even walked in and just felt the negative energy, or somebody else walked in and you felt their negative energy, you felt the whole vibe change? And that's that transference of energy. You know, that energy gonna follow you wherever you go. So try to make sure that you're keeping the best energy as possible. And I ain't saying that it's gonna be possible all the time. Like I said, we all get in times where we don't feel like being bothered. Our ego just be going so crazy, we don't even be feeling like hearing no positive shit, even though we know that's what we need to hear at the time. It's just part of being human. You want to try your best to be conscious of keeping your energy as positive as possible. And with that being said, man, that's today's video. Other than that, man, stay on your grind. Don't let nobody stop you. You don't need validation from nobody but yourself. And until next video, I'm up out of here. Peace, love, gone.
The sun illuminates the eyes behind these tinted lens. Deep within your mind is hidden gems. Take the time to dig. Always subconscious with no conscience, feel unconscious still. How can we budget trying to bond all these monthly bills? They taught us lies about the world that really wasn't real. Hidden agendas that have still yet to be revealed. They took the minds of our little girls and poisoned